So children, now we will study about isotonic solution. Just now we have studied about hypotonic solution and now isotonic solution. See, I told you in osmosis that osmosis is a process which depends upon the amount of substance dissolved in the solution. So what is isotonic solution? When we have kept a cell in the same medium surrounding, means the concentration inside the cell and the cell in which we have kept it is same. So this type of solution is called isotonic solution. Again I am telling, isotonic solution is a solution like if we have kept an animal cell in a solution, solution, and that solution also has same water concentration. What is the concentration of cell inside the cell? Means both inside the cell and the medium in which we have kept the cell, they both have same water concentration. So this type of solution is called isotonic solution. So in this condition, if we keep a cell into an isotonic solution, what will happen? There will be no net movement of water across the plasma membrane. Means, see, water can move in both the direction, inside the cell and outside of the cell. So the amount of water which is coming out of the cell, it is same the water molecules which are going inside the cell through plasma membrane. This is called, because there will be no change, cell will be of same size. And what was happening when we were keeping the cell in hypotonic solution, dilute solution, cell was gaining water and it will swell up. So children, now we will understand about hypertonic solution. So hypertonic solution is a solution in which we have kept the cell, it has more concentration of salts, means water content is less and the solution is very concentrated. So this type of solution is called hypertonic solution. So what is it? If the medium has lower water concentration than the cell, such a concentrated solution is called hypertonic solution. And in this condition, more water leaves the cell than enter it. Means water, as we all know, it can move in both the direction, inside the cell and outside the cell also through plasma membrane. But the water which is leaving the cell, it is more than the water which is going inside the cell. And in this condition, what will happen? Cell will shrink. It will contract.